Hi, it's Sarah Taylor, just working on a few small paintings here, and I'll show you my colors. That's Payne's Gray by Lucas Krill, and Bone Black, that's a golden fluid color. And this is the white mix I always use. It's Modern Masters Iridescent Pearl mixed with golden fluid titanium white. And then that is Quinacridone Nicolazo Gold, mixed with Burnt Orange by Modern Masters and a little bit of black. And Iridescent Pearl. So this, oh my gosh, this is a green gold by Golden Fluid. I mixed in a few other, I can't remember, I mixed it a while ago. And then this is like a Naples yellow by Charvin with a few different base coats here. This kind of dark turquoise color and white. So I'm just kind of testing a few different things, playing around with some new colors, this yellow and the green. I've got a client who I'm going to be doing a painting for, and I just wanted to test a few things out. So I think they turned out interesting. The second one, you'll see I wasn't really happy with where it was going, so I just took it a completely different direction and just kind of had fun with it, and I actually thought it was kind of an interesting painting in the end. So please do subscribe if you like my work. It really helps my channel out, and leaving a comment is wonderful as well. If you like what I'm doing, I do sell art on my website, originals and prints of some of my favorite paintings. So yeah, and come check me out on Instagram. I do put funny, weird little clips of this and that that I'm doing on there. So it's a little different content than what you're seeing on YouTube. So much love, you guys. Happy 2022. I'm looking forward to what this year brings. And oh my gosh, look at the color, the green. The green is what really got me in this one. The green and the yellow, so different. I'm really looking forward to taking this onto a big canvas. So that will be coming shortly, and thank you so much. All right, talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.